It's no secret that hormones play a major role in sexual health. As we age, hormone levels naturally decline, often leading to frustrating changes in libido, performance, and overall sexual satisfaction. Many people quietly wonder, will hormone replacement therapy help my sex life? The answer for many is yes, and the results can be life-changing. Let's break down how HRT can improve sexual health for both men and women, and why Prime Body is a trusted, convenient source for getting started. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone and a key driver of libido, erectile function, and overall sexual performance. Starting as early as their 30s, men experience a gradual decline in testosterone, a condition known as andropause or low T. This can lead to symptoms like reduced sex drive, difficulty achieving or maintaining erections, decreased energy and confidence, loss of muscle mass, brain fog, or mood changes. TRT restores optimal hormone levels, often resulting in a significant improvement in sexual desire and performance. Many men on TRT report renewed sex drive, improved erectile function, increased stamina and confidence, more satisfying sexual experiences. In addition to these sexual benefits, TRT can also enhance energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being, making it a powerful tool for men looking to regain control of their health and vitality. Women experience a sharp drop in estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone during perimenopause and menopause, often resulting in physical and emotional changes that affect intimacy and desire. Common complaints include vaginal dryness or discomfort during sex, low libido, decreased sensitivity or arousal, mood swings or irritability, sleep disturbances, and fatigue. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy can replenish lost hormones and restore sexual confidence. With the right treatment plan, women often experience improved vaginal lubrication and comfort, enhanced libido and sexual satisfaction, better mood and emotional connection, more restful sleep, and increased energy. When the body is in hormonal balance, sexual health naturally improves, along with quality of life, relationships, and self-esteem. If you are struggling with low libido, sexual dysfunction, or age-related hormonal changes, Prime Body makes it easier than ever to access safe, effective HRT. Here is why thousands trust Prime Body. Expert telehealth consultations. Speak with licensed medical professionals from the comfort of your home. No waiting rooms, no hassle. Customized treatment plans. Every patient is different. Prime Body's providers tailor hormone therapy to meet your specific needs and goals. Discreet delivery to your door. Your medication is shipped directly and confidentially, ensuring privacy and convenience. Affordable, transparent pricing. Get the care you need without breaking the bank. No hidden fees or surprise charges. Ongoing support. Hormone therapy is a journey. Prime Body offers continuous monitoring and support to help you feel your best long-term. Hormone imbalances don't have to take a toll on your sex life. Whether you are a man dealing with low testosterone or a woman navigating menopause, hormone replacement therapy may be the key to rediscovering your desire, connection, and vitality. Ready to take the first step? Visit primebody.com to schedule your online consultation and explore how HRT can help you reclaim your sex life safely, discreetly, and on your terms.